in examination in chief for parity of arms, and to ensure that I impeach each and every allegation, and also to have time to play some of the videos that are going to disagree with some of the assertions, I'll not need less than 2.5 hours to do my cross-examination. It's only fair that the governor is given a chance to defend herself through cross-examination. It is what she came here to do, Honorable Speaker, sir. 2.5 hours in the minimum.
You have 2 hours. Proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Kawira, good evening.
Good evening, Council.
You are the mover of this motion.
Yes, I am.
That so the governor get impeached at the county assembly. You have accused the governor of misappropriation and misuse of county resources. Specifically, you accuse the governor of, among other things, embezzling county funds through her sisters, namely Rose Kenya Gwantai, Miriam Gwantai, brother Kenneth Gwantai, Murangeri, brother-in-law Nefat Kenywa, and the nephew to the governor's husband, that is Edwin Mutuma Murangeri. Those you call them the governor's relatives. Is that your position?
Yes.
Confirm that in your notice of motion for impeachment, at no time did you term one Kadhure Rukaria as a governor's relative.
I did not.
You did not. Neither did you term one Jane Karemi as the governor's relative.
I did not.
Thank you. Let us go to, I will come back to Rose and Kenneth and Miriam. But let's go to Nefat Kenywa. It was your assertion that Nefat is a relative to the governor.
Sorry?
You did tell the county assembly and the members of the Senate that Nefat Kenywa is a relative to the governor.
Yes, in relation to that, they have an affair with the governor's sister.
I want you to read page 6 of your notice of motion. How do you describe
Page?
Nefat Kenywa?
Page?
Page 6. We're talking about Nefat Kenywa, not Edwin. How do you describe Nefat Kenywa?
Paragraph?
It's that page 6 of volume 1 of the county assembly's document. How do you describe Nefat Kenywa?
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law.
Yes.
What would that mean? That Nefat is married to one of the governor's sisters.
Yes.
Is that still your position?
It is.
What is the evidence you brought before the county assembly and before this Senate to confirm that Nefat Kenywa is married to Miriam?
I said it is in public knowledge, and it is also alleged that when they traveled to China, they spent in one room.
So there are two sources of information, what you call public knowledge and
public knowledge, and also pictures circulating on social media.
Have you brought the photos that circulate on social media?
I have them, maybe.
Have you brought them to the Senate?
I have them, but unfortunately they were not adduced to...
You did not. And this other source called public domain, have you brought that public domain to the Senate for the Senate to be able to confirm that fact?
Anyone in Meru knows that who can confirm it's true.
Anyone in Meru. But do the senators here know that Nefat is the husband to Miriam?
I'll share the photos that I have with the senators.
So you have no evidence whatsoever before the Senate, neither did you produce any evidence at the county assembly to prove that fact. Yes or no?
Sorry?
You did not produce any piece of evidence to confirm that Nefat is married to Miriam, either at the Senate or at the county assembly. Yes or no?
There is none that is adduced to the evidence.
There is none that is adduced to the evidence. So then that assertion remains unsubstantiated.
It is substantiated from my knowledge and public knowledge.
From your knowledge